Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save photos from Telegram to gallery. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram is an app where you can freely communicate with other people. You just need to have Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If you are perhaps new to Telegram and want to find out how you can download and save photos and videos to your phone's gallery, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So if you're friends, first of all, of course we have to open our Telegram. And if your friends send you videos or photos on your Telegram, you've already downloaded but it won't save to your gallery. You can find the photo on your gallery. How to save that photos from your friend to your gallery? It's so simple. So you can download it first, the photos or the videos, and you can, if you want to save it to your gallery, you can choose the photos that you want to save. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three dots here. You'll see there is an option like show all media, show in chat, reply, shares, and save to gallery. Because we want to save these photos to our gallery, you can tap on save to gallery. You can also choose, because there is more than one photo, you can choose only this photo or all the photos that you want to save to your gallery. If you only want to save this photo, you can tap on this photo. So only this photo, the photo that you choose, can save to your gallery. But if you want to save all the photos, you can tap on all 4 photos here. So all the photos or the videos that your friends send to you on Telegram will save to your gallery. We'll show you. So here's the photos that we just saved to. Here's the photo you can see. So that is how to save photos or videos from Telegram to gallery. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you! Dah ma!